Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the throttle line in a pocket bike. It can be a dirt bike as well. So step by step what you need to do to replace the broken throttle line or wherever old throttle line. So let's start. First we need to remove the cap here from the carburetor. This cap here, usually it's not tight, you can unscrew it with the fingers like I'm doing here. So unscrew the cap, pull everything out. Now here is what we have inside. So we have the spring here, the cap, so we need to remove the throttle line. You can just simply take a flat screwdriver, place it here and pull the spring out. When you pull the spring out, turn that cylinder around and pull out the needle. Now hold the spring, pull the line forward and remove the cylinder. Now remove the spring and the cap cover. Here is the cap cover. So from one end we have removed everything and we can pull the line all the way here from the throttle grip. So here is the line, the throttle line, and now we have to actually open the throttle grip. So we need a screwdriver here, unscrew these two screws. When you will be doing that, be careful as there are nuts on other side, very small nuts, so don't lose them. So unscrew these two bolts and pull the bottom down. As you can see, we have the bottom down. Now pull out the throttle line here from the throttle grip. We may need to push it with the screwdriver. I will do it the other way. So here we have removed the throttle line from the throttle grip. Now next thing is to remove this cover. Unscrew this little bolt here. Now simply open it, pull the line out like that. These two screws make it on, so the space is here. Pull the line out of that and remove the cover. So here is the throttle line, we have just removed it. So now we will install the new one, which we have purchased. We have the new throttle line. I'll show you how to install it step by step. So we start from the side with this connection. First you have to place this cover, the rubber cover. Next it's this bolt, so we place it like that here. Then you can twist the nut here so it won't go. Next is you need to place the line into that part. Do it like this. As you can see, it is moving here. Next, twist the screw in. Here we just need to do it a little bit. Oh, sorry. First, when you place that here, you should actually put some grease here, so for easy, it won't break there, it will move freely. So we'll put some grease here. Next, install this cover here. Screw in the bolts. Now we'll need to install this end in the throttle grip. So you have to do it from this side. Then twist it, place it here, and like that, and insert the cover here. Now screw in these two screws. Now we check that it's moving freely, and place the screw here, screw it in, and the rubber, we actually lost the rubber cover, which is here. We can place it other side and place the rubber cover on the screw like that. So we have done one end, and we have to do it the second end. So move the throttle line the proper way should be. We go like that. In this bike we have a space here for it. So we go through that space. Now we have the other end here. So the other end, all the parts are here. So first we have to place the rubber cover. Next it's the cap. You can actually put the cover on it like that. Pull the line all the way. Now install the cylinder. Sorry, first we have to actually place the spring. So the spring first, squeeze the spring, hold it, and insert the line through the cylinder like that. Don't put the spring yet into the cylinder, leave it like this. Then insert the needle and then spring into the cylinder, and that's how you assemble the second end. Now simply just insert it to the carburetor. And screw in the cap into the carburetor. And that's how you just make sure it's working properly. And that's how to replace the throttle line in all pocket bikes or dirt bikes. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, you like my videos, please subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thanks a million. Bye.